Hi, I'm Pete Morton. I work in Morphy Richards, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fantastic stew using the wonderful new Flavour Savour. The process starts with the sealing and browning of the meat, so all we need to do is add a couple of tablespoonfuls of sunflower oil just into the base of the pan, like so, and then on the control, after switching it on, 15 minutes comes up, which represents the sealing and browning time. So we literally just select that option. You can hear the continuous beep there, and then the bottom of the pan will start to heat up, and in 5 minutes time we'll be ready to add in the meat and start the sealing and browning process. Now, so we can see we've still got a few seconds left, so just finish that process, and then all we need to do is just add the additional ingredients as per the recipe, which is available in the information booklet, and this is for the beef stew. So very simple ingredients. We've just chopped some leeks here, so we roughly chopped them into cube size shapes, so they cook quite well during the longer cooking process. So you add those over the meat. We've also got some onions here to add a bit of flavour to the recipe. And we've got chopped carrots and chopped potatoes. Again, the potatoes are cut roughly to 2 or 3 centimetre size cubes, again, so they cook perfectly during that 1 hour 45-minute cooking process. So it's as simple as adding those additional ingredients in there. And we've also got, if I can just reach over here, we've got some mixed herbs, again just to enhance the flavour of the recipe a little bit. So we just sprinkle about 2 tablespoonfuls of mixed herbs over the ingredients, like so, and then we can just give that a bit of a stir so the ingredients are mixed in a little bit. Okay, and then prepared earlier a litre of beef stock, and that's warmed as well, so the water's just boiled, so when it goes into the Flavour Savour it can get up to cooking temperature much quicker. So just pour in that beef stock and just pour it over all the ingredients, so there's plenty of moisture going around there. So we're going to use a fast stew setting on 1 hour and 45 minutes. So all we do, we just press the left hand button once, and the first option which comes up with 1 hour and 30, that's the fast stew option, so we select that with the right hand button, and then to select the 45 minutes we just press the left hand button again, and then it's ready. All you do then is press the accept button on the right hand side, keep your finger on it, you can hear that continuous beep, and that means it's starting to cook. Okay, so now I've come back home from work. Hopefully the stew is going to be ready for me, ready for my tea. I'm really hungry, so let's have a look and see how it's done. After the cooking process, it stays on keep warm for up to 2 hours. When you come back, it's ready to eat, and it's ready at serving temperature. So if we just take off the lids, and that looks absolutely fantastic. So if we just ladle some of the food out onto this plate. So you can see the meat is cooked to perfection. We've got all the other ingredients cooked really well, including the carrots and the potato in there, and you've got a really appetising, wholesome, nutritious food. The great thing about the Savour flavour as well is that the serving pan, because it's separate to the base, you can use it as a serving pan at the table. If you want to reheat some food in the serving pan as well, you can also quite easily just transfer that to the hob and use it as a normal pan. So it's got that additional functionality in there. So all that remains is to give it a try, see what it tastes like. That is really good. The potatoes cooked really well, not overcooked. And the meat. Again, that's absolutely cooked to perfection. A really easy way to cook really wholesome, healthy family food.